All right, David, over to you, mate. Show us the next range of podiums.
Yeah, awesome. Well, it's great to have you guys here. So this is what we call our Slidey Boy. Literally just finished last week for the show. We're getting a lot of interest in this guy. So your normal ones just tend to stop here. Ours is double extension.
Yeah, nice.
So it goes nice and far. That is removable, so easy for your cable management, or you need to retrofit something or equipment, lay it down the track.
Yeah.
Comes in all different sizes. Basically, just let us know what you want. What size TV, nice and easy.
Yeah, it's nice and slim as well.
It is. I think it's only 32 mil from memory.
Right, and you just sort of push it in, locks in. It's not a.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's
nice.
it.
Okay, and just grab it and pull it out.
Yeah, I mean we can basically adjust it to anything that you need, anyways. But that seems to fit.
Seems to be the custom way for Podion. Yeah, like just take the basics and keep building from there.
Exactly. So it's what people ask us, can you do it? We say yes. So
default answer.
That's right. Yeah. And just a little highlight of things. So we do a little bit of furniture stuff, but it's more the AV integration side of things. So even this crater is ours. Need an 80 mil hole saw. That's it. And you got your 240 volt USB-C and USB-A power as well.
Very cool.
So
Very cool.
yeah, nice and cool.
Very cool.
And then over to the exciting stuff over here.
Yeah. Into the cool stuff.
Yes. So this particular model is actually designed specifically for ICC Sydney. So this is the first time they're actually seeing it as well. They've just put 10 of these on, which is great. So you can see from here at the back, so that's all custom patch paneling, if you like. We do have a standard, so you can put all your knockouts there and place whatever pass-throughs and things that you need.
Okay. And so you just sort of, we would just say, this is what we need, David, and you bang that out in this panel here, yeah?
Yeah, exactly right. Yeah. So we can either do it from the factory, nice and easy for you guys, or if you go later down, hey, actually, I need a HDMI pass-through, what can we do? Let us know, we can just send you the part, you knock that out, put a couple of screws in, and you're ready to go.
Yeah, nice and clean.
Yeah, and internally, lots of space, lots of racking, as many shelves as you need to put all your equipment. Now, we're not the experts on these side of things, we mostly build the PC cases, so you guys know more about that than us. But you can see easy access to a floor box, can run it underneath, unlockable casters, very, very sturdy unit as well. Yeah.
So you can get in and basically roll it, throw your cable in here, run it straight over your floor box, and keep it all nice and tight, lock it up so it's not going to move, and away you go.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
Very nice.
Really cool.
There's plenty of cable management bars and stuff like that to keep everything nice and neat as well in there.
Yeah, so we use a lot of perforation as well, so you can put whatever cable ties you need, Velcro, whatever it is, secure it down. And then if you've got somebody that's bring their own device, you got a slide-out shelf. Yeah. So you can put the laptop on the side. Yeah.
It's just hiding in there.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Well, I like to think so.
Cool. Very cool.
Yeah.
All right. So if I want something a little bit more to get in a bit more simple.
Yeah, this is probably the most common one.
Yeah, right.
I should say the most popular. So almost every person in hospitality, they got a small stage, or they want to lift it up and down from the stage.
Yeah, got to be able to move it. Yeah, not
nice
too heavy.
And light. Has an option to come with screen or without. So I do a lot of private schools where they just want a basic logo on the front. They don't need a moving screen.
Yeah.
But if you've got multiple presenters, the cool thing about this guy is on the very back here. So it's a bit hard to show on the angle. I might just spin it around. So you can either do it through HDMI, pass it to like a laptop or something like that, or put a USB in, put an image on there or a video, and it'll automatically play.
Yeah, right.
And if you don't have anything on that file or presenter, so if you actually just go around to the front, and I'll just pull out the USB, so it goes from that image to a default image.
Okay, like a splash screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if I plug it in, it's about 4 seconds, and that should start back up again.
And one of the things that I certainly come across as a challenge in this sort of basic lectern space is you've got to get cable, like it's normally just a single board, I suppose, for want of a better word. Here you've got a solution where you actually can hide all the cabling away, yeah? So, you still got to get the other side of that, and you've got to get that down to the floor box, and away you go. So you can hide it all in here. There's a big cabinet in there, and run it all through. That's really clever.
Yeah.
Solves a problem, and this makes things look a whole lot prettier as well.
And in terms of rolling around, you basically just lean it towards yourself. It activates the 2 wheels that's on the back.
Oh, yeah.
You can wheel it up and down.
Yeah, right. So it's not just going to roll away when someone leans on it.
No, adjustable feet underneath as well, so you can see it's pretty sturdy. I mean, it's on carpet right now and cables underneath, but yeah, very sturdy.
Nice.
This guy. Yeah.
Nice. All right. What else we got here?
Well, this is probably the next most popular one, especially for private schools or people where they want height adjustability, because that's the downside with a big, large unit like that.
Yeah.
You can't control the height. This is completely motorized height. So up and down has a huge range from someone that's 2 meters tall to someone a little bit shorter than that.
Yep.
Dual slide out shelves as well. So again, just for extra space, so like my spec sheets here, they can sit on the edge or have a laptop, confidence monitor. Same thing with the patch paneling, logo USB. That is removable to, trying to put some equipment inside, like an NVX encoder, something like that as well. Lockable casters. And of course, the drink holder, which is the hero of the show.
Yeah, it's an important thing. Yeah,
Everybody needs one.
Well, it's hidden too. I like that it's at the back, right? So you can just keep that from the front. People are trying to take professional photos and different things like that. So
that's right. You don't want somebody spilling it on a screen.
Yeah. Even
unfortunately, calling taxi.
Yeah, very, very nice.
Yeah, awesome. And this is actually similar to the Sydney one, just a smaller scale. So this was originally designed for Brisbane Convention Centre. That's where the CC comes from, Convention Centre.
Yeah.
It is very, very popular for hospitality places like that. Looks really good. It's just very nice, presentable, large screen on the front. Has all the same features as the other guys there. It's just on a slightly smaller scale.
Very, very nice, mate. Yeah. And then a very basic one here.
Yep. Entry model with motorised lift.
Yeah, I think that's kind of important. It's getting more and more important. Yeah, especially with safety issues.
So actually, the Queensland Media Briefing Room, they've got 3 of these in there.
Yep.
Just with their custom logo. So that can be anything that you want. Usually black or white powder coat. Standard is all black. Another actually cool feature I should mention, because some people go, we have different presenters, they don't want our logo on the front. Well, I got a solution for that.
Follow us.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm walking a bit fast here. Magnetic logo print.
That's fantastic. That's awesome.
So I've had people where they're duct taping trying to cover the front and say, well, how do we stop that? We say, well, let's just make a magnet for you.
Yeah. And then you can, so if I want to print different ones of that and different branding, different if you're renting the space, like say, you can just keep rolling them out. And you guys do that?
100%. Yep, we can do it all in-house, especially because we've already got your logo details and things like that. You just send us through like a vector image or whatever you like. We'll send you a proofing and then we can just ship it directly to you later. Nice.
All right, guys. So this is the wrap. So it's Podian Global. You guys are Melbourne-based Australian. You've got a base range of lecterns, some wall mounts going on, some camera mounts, but your real pictures, if you want to customise anything, we can do anything you like and just tweak everything to make it, put your spin on, put your flavour in.
Correct, This isn't even half of the products, really, of what we do. So
right, It gets bigger than that. So, mate, people want to know more. What are they going to do?
Yep, so go on to podiumglobal.com, and if you want a more range catalogue, so we've actually got the contacts of people in your states on there. So I'm, for example, Queensland, you've got Narvik in Victoria, and you've got Johnny that does New South Wales and South Australia. So
you've got representation around the country as well, mate.
Yes.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, that's right.
Check them out. It's well worth it. It's extremely well made. It's very well finished, and it's actually really, really cool. Check them out, Podian Global. Thanks, mate.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.